What do people mean when they say personal finance? In the next 2 minutes, I will make it clear so you can understand exactly what it means. Imagine this. Payday finally rolls around, and you've got that cash in your hand, or better yet, safe in your bank account. You feel like you've got options. Should you treat yourself, save it, pay off a bill? Maybe a little of everything? This is where it gets interesting. You start thinking, what's my best move here? You might put some away for that future vacation, or maybe add a bit to your emergency fund, just in case. You're juggling a few things, making sure the bills are covered. Or let's be honest, maybe you just spend it, blow it on a late-night Amazon shopping spree, or that night out with friends you can't really afford. Day by day, paycheck by paycheck, you're making decisions. Choices that seem small in the moment, but add up over time. You're here on this channel, figuring out how to learn about and manage your money, so that each choice you make today builds a stronger tomorrow. It's all those tiny steps, budgeting, saving, tackling debt, planning for the future, that make up your money game plan. Personal finance isn't some big, abstract concept. It's not just for people with spreadsheets or investments. It's the stuff we all do every day. It's knowing how to keep things stable, having the freedom to make choices, and building toward what you want most. When we talk about personal finance, we're talking about how you take control of your money to live the life you really want. It's not about having it all figured out. It's about making each dollar count in a way that's meaningful to you. So, next time you're thinking about what to do with that paycheck, remember, you're already making personal finance happen. Personal finance is just about how you handle and master your money. So you're already doing it. Now you just need to become a master.